Okay, you got 2 assignments. Guys, I know it's last period day, but you can complete 2 assignments. These are not hard. Guys, and also some of you tell me you want to take Algebra 2. You can't get focused enough to do these 2. You have no business taking that class. I mean, I'm sorry. Okay. Graph the equations. And you're like, well, what do I take? Well, there's a consumer math class too. That's like money management. Okay, it's not a bad class at all. It's not hard. And I don't mean that, and when I say that, I don't mean that derisively. I'm not trying to criticize, but I mean this stuff with the graphing and all that stuff. I mean, if you can't hang it together with this, you'll need to take, you don't want to take Algebra 2. I can maybe, you and I together can maybe get through this year, but then next year you got to look at something else. Okay, graph the equations. X equals -4, okay? Now, this is different. You're not using you want to use slope, but you can't because there's no y. Right? That there's y not here. Okay? So what you do is you go under the equation and write the word constant. And on constant graphs, I like to make 3 coordinates. Why 3? Well, you can make 10 if you want. I don't, kind of dumb, but. Now look at the letter that is there. -4. All your x's are -4s. And then the letter that's not there, the y, that can be whatever you want. I usually go with 1, 2, and 3. Now you plot those points and connect the points and you have your line. So this is x positive, negative, y positive, and negative. So -4, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. -4, 2. On x, I go to -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 2. Okay. -4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Take a straight edge, graph it, and that is what a constant line looks like. There is no slope to that. It's an undefined slope. Okay, that's what a line looks like with a slope that's undefined. Okay, right there. Okay, y equals 6. Okay, where the heck's x? Not here. Some of you are like, do you put a 0x? No. Okay. Constant x. Or constant. So there's 3 coordinates. Okay, so y is 6. So y is 6. Now, you don't put it under x. You got to read what the letter is. The letter's y. So the y is 6. Every coordinate has a y of 6. Why would you put 6 in for x? It says y is 6. So the y's are 6. Now the one that's not there, that's where your 1, 2, 3. Okay, so x positive, negative. And then y positive and negative. So x, 1, and 6. So you go 1 on x is this way, 6 on y is this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 6. Back to, and you always go, but you go back to the middle. Okay, when you set them up into coordinates, you go back to the middle. Now 2, 6. Well, 2 on x is here. 6 on y is up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then back to the middle, go to 3 on x, 1, 2, 3, and go to 6 on y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's your graph. That's a slope of 0, okay? So this one goes straight across. Okay, x equals -3. So, usually I use slope, but y is not here, so y not here. Okay? So, it's a constant graph. What's the letter that is there? X. What's it equal to? -3. So x is always at -3. Y not here means y can be whatever, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here's x, here's y. Positive on x is this way, negative on x is this way. Positive on y is that way, negative on y is that way. So how do you go to negative 3 on x? 1, 2, 3. 1 on y is up here. Negative 3, 2. So negative 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. Negative 3, 3. Negative 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And make your line. So it's constantly at negative 3 on the x-axis. Every point has an x-coordinate of negative 3. Now the next one, y equals 14. It's another constant because this time the x is not here. What's the letter that is there? Y. Y is 14. All the y's are 14. The one not there, the x, is 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Now you have a little problem here. Okay? X positive, x negative. Y positive, y negative. 1, how the heck do you get to 14? You don't. You run out of room. So what you're going to do is number the y by 2's. Okay, x will still be 1's, but y I'll go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Then I'm at 14. You got to know how to do that. So 1, 14. You can still go by 1's this way. Then 2 on x. 2 on that positive 2's here. 14 on y is right here. 3, 14. Positive 3, 14. Okay, that's a wrap. You got 2 to do.